Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Angie Moon and I love to do a lot of beauty based videos. Today I decided to do Boxy charms unboxing for the month of September. So if you guys are ready to see what I got in this month's Boxy charm, please go ahead and keep watching. So this month's theme is all access, and the first item in the box, I'm gonna go in order. Sorry if you hear any background noise, that is my parents' dog. So anywho, the first item on the box is Violet Voss, and it is an Essentials eyeshadow palette. So it's this one right here. Wow. First of all, the packaging is very nice, as you guys can see here. Now let's see the inside of this palette right over here. Wow, look at these colors, you guys. Very, very nice, these colors. So basically the little message that they wrote on here is, provides revamped essential shades and an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. The Essentials palette was designed for everyday use in a stunning mix of warm and cool toned shades for countless color combinations. Rethink Essentials and effortlessly take your look from day to night. Achieve a soft glam or go bold with a pop of color. The choice is yours. So that's the message that they wrote for this cute little palette right here. As you guys always know, I love all palettes that have that include a mirror. It's very convenient, basically on the go. So what I will do for you guys is I'm going to grab it with my fingers and show you guys the shades up close so you can kind of see, we can get a feel on the pigment of this cute little palette. So the first one is called Cream, and that one looks like a highlighting shadow. The second one right over here is called Sand. That's this one right here. It is a matte. The third one is called Terracotta, which is this one right over here. The fourth shade on the palette is called Gold. It is a nice shimmery gold. And the last one on the top is called Emerald, which is, wow, a very pretty emerald green. I can't wait to put this one on my eyelids. It's so beautiful, you guys. So as you can see right over here, this is the top row: Cream, Sand, Terracotta, Gold, and Emerald right here as the last one on the top. Now I'm going to use my left hand for the bottom row. The first one is called Pink. The first one on the bottom row. It is a nice pink shimmery shade. The second one is called Dusty Rose. That's this one right here. It's a nice matte Dusty Rose. The next one is called Plum Berry. That's this one right over here. The fourth one is called Cinnamon. It's like a dark matte brown. And the last one is just called Black, which is a matte looking black color. So again, the bottom row, we have Pink, Dusty Rose, Plum Berry, Cinnamon, and Black. So very nice palette. I like how you can how they said in the message, either you can do like a soft during the day look, or you can do a nice bold, like going on a date night look. And I love the size of it. Actually, it looks like a nice size where you can just throw it in your purse and take it with you if you're in a hurry and just, you know, do your eye makeup really quickly. So yeah, so that's very nice. Said you guys, this one, it retails for $29. Okay, you guys, now moving on to the next item in my Boxy charm is called Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. And that one is this bottle right over here, as you guys can see. And the message for this mask right over here, they wrote, a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. Wow. I honestly can't wait to try this because I do suffer from redness right over here, basically a little bit my T-zone, and I do suffer from dry skin. So I love how it says that it helps with redness, to reduce your redness and also signs of irritation, and it locks in the moisture. So I cannot wait to try this. It is a sleeping mask and it retails for, you guys, this retails for $52, okay? $52, that's crazy. All right, now the next item in my box is called, it's by Moda, M-O-D-A, 5-piece brush kit. And that one is right here. Wow, this is really nice. So it's a 5-piece deluxe eye kit. So basically what it brings is a shade brush that you can use for your lid. It brings a crease brush, a detailing brush, a smudge one, and also a eyeliner brush. That's really, really nice. And now this 5-piece eyeshadow brush kit retails for $27.95. And the little message that they wrote is, Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. This line features superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye looks. Wow. So I can't wait to try these out, you guys. Okay, so now the next thing in my box is by Hank and Harry Blickety Black Eyeliner. Now this eyeliner right here, I'm actually using it right now in my eyes, and that's this one, as you can see here up close. So I applied it on, and what I love about it, it's a very fine point, and it's like a, you know, a pen to do your eyes. I used it today. I don't know if you can tell because I do have my eyelashes on right now, but it was really easy to use, and I love how fine the like I said, how fine the tip of the brush is. You guys can see here, it's just really, really nice because you can do like a really thin line. Sorry, it's all crooked, but I'm just showing you guys how it applies. And I really, really loved it. So this one retails for $20. Okay, so now for the last item of my box is called $1 Billion Brow, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. That is the last item in the box, and it's right here. Now let's see how it looks as a plastic, but I can show you guys how it is. Okay, so here it is. I took off the plastic, haven't used it yet, but as you guys can see here, it is a angled brush. So I don't know if you can tell on the camera right here, it is an angled brush. Very interesting. This one says, this brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hair. A great microblade effect without the blade. It can be used to define a very bold brow or creates natural looking brow hairs for a more subtle look. This long-lasting formula will last all day. It will last for an all-day look. And this one retails for $18, you guys, $18. So yeah, that's about it. Now we are going to add up. We're going to add up basically our box, and yeah, I'll be right back and I'll let you know how much my September's Boxy Charm box is worth. I'll be right back. All right, my love, so these 5 items are worth basically altogether $147, but again, all you pay for Boxy Charm is basically $21 a month. That is all. $21 a month. Now, I have to remind you guys, I am not being sponsored by Boxy Charm or anything like that. I am a regular paying customer. Really happy with the things that I got in my Boxy Charm. Wait to see how good it's gonna be for my skin. If it's $52, feeling all, I don't know. And I can't wait to try out this palette right over here. So yeah, if you guys have any requests at all, if you want to see me use any of these items, comment down below and let me know. I could do an unboxing slash try on for you guys, but please just let me know. Comment down below, don't be shy. I love to see you guys when you do message me and leave me comments and request things. I'm here for you guys and to entertain you and because I truly do enjoy it. So that's about it. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Besitos to all of you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and as always, I love you guys. I appreciate you. I hope you have an amazing day. Mwah. Besitos again. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I decided to create my, I did open it before, but I looked at it, okay. To get a great to get